Hello everyone, and today I would like you to talk about Yay.email service. So every time we give out our real email, we leave behind a digital fingerprint. Companies, advertisers, and even governments can track us, building profiles and connect everything we do online. That's why I wanted to show you Yaymail, a simple way to protect your inbox and create new identities instantly. With aliases, you control who gets your email and when. If one gets spammed or leaked, you just turn it off and your real inbox stays safe. So by starting, we click on sign in, we click on create account, and let's create um, our account.gmail.com. This is just for uh, presentation purpose. You create your account by entering email, password. Let's create it. So once we created our account, we are in the email forwarding dashboard. To create a new alias, we need to enter the name. So basically, I will choose, my name is James Brown. It's not a real name, and we, I'm selecting the domain name. So for example, I will use the email and then I will forward to my real Gmail. Fake James Brown email. So just a note for me to remember. So now I have my new email. I can share with anybody, uh, register with this email, and I will receive all the emails to my original Gmail. So this is how you create an alias and register with an yay.email service.